So everyone sits there, comes around and
You're not sitting, it's not a surprise.
you stand up.
No, that's late.
You ready to go? Let's go. Hurry up. Come on, go in.
We got you! Did we get you or did we get you?
Are you in shock?
He's all emo. Oh. Hi guys! So it's time for another vlog and someone who's on their phone who
Just completely-
was shocked by my hi guys. Where are we going, Vaibhav?
We're going to the Sabji Mandi.
No, so we're going to the furniture sabzi mandi.
Yeah, it's called Ikea.
Ikea.
I'm all ears as you talk to me, dancing on that fine line above the sea. You're holding my hand, like a gentle breeze, and I'm feeling kinda nice, but still laughing.
You're only here to
It's
buy
so-
me shit.
I'm not. You are here to buy me shit, A. And B, it's hard to focus because everything is just so like, look at me, buy me. You're welcome.
Oh my god, someone's come prepared.
This is 16.
Measure this now. You're saying she has this, so see how big this is.
Oh, this is just one like
Smaller.
small one.
Put it around your neck and walk around like a darzi.
It's not a bad look.
Soap dispenser.
It'll break.
Wait, but I want it for the kitchen in Kolaba. Why would it break?
It'll break.
It's okay. It's cheap.
I want one green.
Grey you already have.
Yeah, I don't have green.
Definitely bigger than what I have. To buy or not to buy?
That's not bad.
I mean, her room is all black, but maybe it comes in colors. You can ask them. This is what I want to get for the studio space. 2 of these. Like it would be like this in the back, like where I could put whatever, or I just put all my shoes and bags.
Oh my god. So you're gonna make it ugly. You're gonna take a beautiful thing and make it ugly.
So this is
14 and a half.
14 and a half.
I don't think it's wide enough.
And height, just take.
That's 35.
Black and white already. Don't you want to give it some
Yeah.
color?
No. I don't want any colors. Something earthy. What is this? Is this up somewhere?
It's on the other side.
Oh, it's very nice.
I mean, okay. So you're good with this?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is the one. This is the set.
But that looks so much nicer.
Yeah, because this is old.
Weber's favorite glasses that we have in 2 colors and now 3.
Great quality. Long lasting.
Sounding like an uncle right now. What did we come here to buy, Weber?
A lot of stuff that we don't need.
So we came here to buy the curtain rods. We got the curtain rods. And
Plus more, which I'm carrying.
went down for walkie. You went down for walkie without Mama. Who's your lucky buggy? Who's your lucky bunny? Okay, we're back. So our house is absolutely a crazy mess right now. It's being repainted and Vibs is thankfully solely taking care of that. So I have come back here, Aram se. I'm going to show you guys quickly what I got from Ikea. We have a few more things for our house, but we mainly went to get like curtain rods for both our parents' rooms. My mom's curtain rods have broken when we did the waterproofing and stuff of the building from outside. And then the same with right now when they're doing our house, they broke like my mother-in-law's blinds, and then we were like, let's just get curtain rods and get curtains. So that's what we went in for. But obviously you can't just go into Ikea and buy one random thing. I have been thinking of getting those Billy bookcases to redo the studio with that, and I saw this pop green color online and I loved them, and that's what you saw in the vlog as well. And I'm still in two minds because right now they have some kind of a discount on, so I was like, okay, I have to decide in the next few days if I want them or not. But yeah, the big purchases I would have to order online because I was still indecisive. I can never buy anything expensive or large in one go. I like need to mull over it, think over it 100 times, justify it, and then buy it. So that's what happened. The other random stuff that I bought, I'll show you. So we have the squeegee thingamajig, which is always there in the kitchen. Nothing fancy there. Standard non-stick spoons, which I use and they use in the kitchen. A new soap dispenser. Now IKEA really does cool soap dispensers. I saw this one and I thought it's really nice. Kind of looks like an old medicine bottle or something. So we're going to keep this for the kitchen here. So it has a nice rustic vibe with the rustic kitchen because the kitchen is rather old now. And then we have just this set of forks, spoons and knives that I already had. Just wanted to get extras of the same one. So yeah, nothing fancy or cool, just regular everyday stuff. The big stuff I am gonna have to order online and I will decide this week. Luckily, I've missed Mars's walk time. Actually, not luckily, unluckily, but he's already been walked. Just gonna wrap up today's videos, take a shower, and then unwind a little bit. I'm feeling like so hot and sticky right now. Bombay is so hot and muggy. It's crazy. I thought I was gonna have a bath and chill. I forgot that I have the sideboard today. So yeah, F1 podcast and we're going live. Come on, Bunny, let's go. Come on, let's go. Chalo, chalo, uto. You have to go to the other room. Come on. Okay, folks, it is 11:30 at night and I have my mango chia seed dessert. This was one of Scary Chef Sherry's finest creations, and yeah, I totally forgot about my podcast today, and it's crazy. I was ready to have a bath, get in my jammies and just chill, and then I got a message on our group with the link and I was like, oh my god, I forgot. But yeah, if you're an F1 fan, subscribe to Sidepod, you will enjoy it. It's a lot of fun, lots of banter and lots of masti. So finished the podcast and I got stuck in this crazy reel situation where I was just, you watch one and then you watch 100 and then you're like, what are you doing? And that's what happened. Finally showered and then sitting down to eat my dessert. Every mango season, this is what I do. It's very easy to make. Basically, it's chia seeds with coconut milk, and then you can add a little water if you feel like it's too thick, and add mango, obviously, and you're left with this, which is pretty divine. And for dinner, I just ate regular home food. There was gravy, chicken, and rice, and I just quickly wolfed it down and started the podcast. So there really wasn't anything mega happening this evening. And yeah, that's it for tonight. I will see you tomorrow, and so will my cozy friend over here. Say good night. Good morning. Looks over, but it's not over. I literally had to squeeze out every last second. I feel like I might get one more day out of this. If you truly want to experience Kolaba, the morning is the best time to come because it's khali. Okay, today has been one of those days where I am ready to attack. Okay, it's 6 p.m. I have achieved nothing. I had 2 very unproductive like meetings which nothing happened in. And then Ikea recommended this Wi-Fi service for the assembly for the curtain rods, because Urban Clap company, whatever they're called, they are the ones I usually use for Ikea stuff, but they didn't have a slot for 3 days. So I tried this company and we had a slot today from 2 to 4. Nobody showed up. I had to call the customer care 5 times. I've spoken to so many carpenters today, and one guy is like, "Main Thane mein hu," one guy is like, "Main Chembur mein hu," one guy is, and yeah, it's one of those days where everything is just not gone my way. And I am sweaty, I'm tired, and I have to go to an event. But yeah, I'm just gonna shower and try my clothes and figure, because I've got clothes and stuff, and real life, I guess some days are just not vlog worthy, and just where everything goes wrong. Lovely Kanika has sent me a note with 3 options. We have this top, we have this beautiful dress, and this beautiful dress. Now what do we wear? Okay, I don't know if you can see this, but I've done full jugaad with my GoPro mount stuck onto my mirror. That's what's happening. Ignore the mess in the back. Let's go tighter. Okay, so I'm gonna try and turn this day around. I'm going to look my best. I still don't know what I'm wearing. I have not done my hair yet. I've just clipped it to get it out of the way. And yeah, let's get ready. So makeup wise, nothing mega. We're just going to put a little moisturizer, a little mascara, and something on my lips, and that's it. I will do my jugaad ironing really fast, and with my new iron that should be like pretty quick. And yeah, I do feel like this whole thing is Teda right now, and if you're watching me Teda, I'm sorry, but I just set this whole contraption up and then washed my hands, and I'm very particular about putting clean hands on my face, so it feels like too crazy to go. But I'm just loving the purple. Like, can you see the pops of purple in this light? Like when I've got my ring light on, and in normal light it really doesn't show, but when there's like proper light you can see all the purple, which I like. So just quickly put on my ombreolis. I'm gonna do maybe a quick slight brow thingamajig with my Precisely brow. Brows are all over the place right now, so nothing really mega, just light rough filling, and then we're just gonna brush, because I literally don't have the time, don't have the energy, and today I don't have the inclination. So yeah, going back to the crazy day that I had, sometimes I feel like technology and apps and all these things are so seamless and amazing, but then sometimes I feel like it was so much nicer when we had those days of you know, just phoning our electricians or our plumbers or whoever, just being like, please can you come over. And we used to have our family carpenter who doesn't now do kind of like regular carpentry. He's gone into like full-blown houses or nothing, so I don't really have a family carpenter anymore to call for all these odd jobs, and relying on the apps is not really helping. So yeah, it's one of those days where I'm going, technology is a boon, technology is a curse, and like most millennials, I think we've had the best of both worlds actually, because that time was pretty awesome as well, and it's pretty awesome now as well, except for a few exceptions. But just gonna put on some mascara, and then I think, yeah, that's it, just something on my lips. I'm still figuring out my outfit. I'm not sure of what I'm gonna wear. I do have 3 options, and I obviously have older Kanika Goyal stuff as well, which I think could work if nothing works from the new stuff. I'm feeling very confused. So this is my Benefit lip tint in the shade Red Velvet that I'm just gonna be using. And it's that simple. Makeup is done. Now time for hair. Quickly doing my jugaad ironing. Okay, so this is my new iron. I have done a to buy or not to buy full review. Check it out here. And my favorite setting is my Jugaad setting, where I just do these big chunks and I'm good to go. But it really makes your hair shiny. Like you can see, I'm not really ironing. I'm just doing like upar se, and you still can see the shine. So literally I have taken exactly a minute. I'm looking at my camera timer since I started ironing. It's been a minute, and you can see the result, which is pretty amazing, right? Like this is in a minute. Also, my hair is really dirty because I have to go to the salon tomorrow to try and lock in some of the purple so that it doesn't bleed, because it's bleeding like crazy and I'm losing a lot of the color very fast. But so I've been avoiding washing it, which for me is torture, as you guys know. But I think we're good to go. Time to change and time to leave. You guys will see my outfit there because I don't have anywhere to shoot it. Everything is a mess.
I've been trying to fill these big shoes, trying to tie them with no laces. Every morning I look for the good news, but barely skim the pages. It's like if I don't try, I won't make it, cause my head's deep in the sandpit, and I burn through every page slip and wonder where all my money's gone. If I don't look, I won't find it. Dig my head deep in the sandpit, cause inside I'm still a shy kid, stealing dreams like a bandit.
What are you rating it?
I'm rating myself a Mickey Mouse out of 10.
Friends don't carry a briefcase, I carry a torch. Like everyone's built a house for the weekdays, but I'm building a fort. And I keep on waiting to wake from my dreamscape.
Okay, back home. I don't know why it looks like I still have lipstick on, even though I've showered again, but I will remove it again after eating my biryani. So one thing about fashion events, there's really like either finger food or no food, and I need proper dinner at night, otherwise I can't sleep hungry. So I've come back. The rain is crazy, by the way. There's a yellow alert because of something in Mumbai already for the next 3 days. It's going to be crazy rain. There was like lightning on the way and stuff, and non-stop rain since I left the house. But the event was fun. I've known Kanika for over a decade, and I feel like a lot of the designers that I've known for since I started out or since I was a model, I have like such long relationships with them that I always want to go to their events, and she's one of them. So yeah, it was a really fun night, and now time to eat some biryani and watch Fred and Rose West, a British horror story. I had to read the name, but it's like bone chilling. You guys know I'm all about true crime, and yeah, true crime and biryani, the best combination in the world.
It was obvious Mum and Dad didn't want us to say anything to anybody.
Okay, this is the raspberry cheesecake ice cream from Bono, and it is amazing. I feel like I should not be doing this. I'm gonna have a sore throat tomorrow, but I can't help myself. Good night.
For better or worse, I'll always be true. Black and blue and in love with you.